Hello everyone, welcome to Bview, our image sequence playback tool to help artists review their work. There are plenty of things you can do with Bview. Playback 3D stereoscopic images, compare tracks, manage colors, annotate, and paint. To tell you more, we've created a series of tutorials. In this one, we give you a brief introduction to Bview to show you how to get started. Your Bview experience starts with this user interface. First, we need to load a media by clicking on Load Mono for a single sequence or movie, or Load Stereo for a 3D stereoscopic workflow. In our example, we're going to use a mono sequence that we want to review and compare with another sequence. As you may have noticed, the timeline has automatically refreshed itself with a first and last frame. Your media can either be read directly from the timeline or by using the arrow keys. Up to start or restart, down to pause and resume, left and right for previous or next frame. At first play, Bview is catching each frame into your computer's memory as seen with the green underline. That's why playing your media for the first time might look slow. On the top right side lays the memory usage bar, which displays your memory used by the application, by Bview, and the free memory. When reaching less than 5% of free memory, a red color will be displayed as a warning. Alright, now we'll pause our sequence and show you some of Bview's possibilities. First, let's take a look at some manipulation. Plus and minus to zoom in, zoom out. Z with right click to zoom in and out at mouse position. Z with left click to drag. Shift Z with middle click to zoom on selection. And F to fit the display. Bview is also used for comparison purposes. Let's load another media and compare both by simply switching from a media to another. You can also use page up, page down shortcuts. Another way to compare is to use the dual view mode. Press F2 and select the left view. Then, we can edit the gamma and brightness from the toolbar. Switch to another color space from the media panel. Manage our sequence's frame range. Another easy thing you can do is to mix both media together to be played one after another. To do that, just create a model. After dragging our sequences into it, both media are read one after another without any interruption, while being highlighted individually on the timeline. This is our sequence. This is our movie. Now you can either save your project for further editing into a Bview format, or you can export your work to another format for an easier review. Currently, Bview supports most of the standard image or movie formats. So that was your intro. Now that you have seen how easy it is to start with Bview, you can check out the next video detailing how to compare and annotate. There are more videos to come, so stay tuned. Thank you for choosing Bview.